Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2008 Porsche Cayenne. Has a 3.6 liter V6, 101,000 miles. Body is in really good shape, especially considering the year. You can see a little bit of wear here on this bumper guard. It's kind of normal. Small ding right here on the rear door. But as you can see, besides that, it's in really good shape inside and out. Some small paint chips throughout the hood and on the front bumper. Take a peek at the inside here. See the inside interior is in good shape. Comes with a sunroof. This has a 3.6 liter V6 in it. Leather's in really good shape. Has heated seats, this one. Start on the left. 617,000 miles. If there's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a holler. 228-438-2056. You can also shoot us a text. Email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche vehicles, or other foreign or domestic luxury cars, definitely give us a holler. See if we can help you out with our repairs facility. Appreciate you checking out the video.